Aquatic gardens, with their serene water features and vibrant plant life, offer a unique and captivating landscape design option. Incorporating water plants and features can transform any outdoor space into a haven of tranquility and natural beauty. This video delves into the art of aquatic garden design, exploring the diverse elements, plants, and features that contribute to the creation of stunning, serene aquatic landscapes. The essence of aquatic gardens. Aquatic gardens encompass a wide array of designs, incorporating various water features, plants, and structures that harmoniously blend with their surroundings. Whether small or expansive, these gardens create an oasis of calm, providing a place for relaxation, fostering biodiversity, and adding an aesthetic appeal to outdoor spaces. Water features and plant selection. Ponds and waterfalls. The centerpiece of many aquatic gardens, ponds and waterfalls add a touch of elegance and soothing ambiance. Ponds can host a variety of water plants and fish, while waterfalls contribute to the tranquil sound of cascading water. Water plants. Selecting a diverse range of water plants is key to an aquatic garden's success. From floating plants like water lilies and lotus to submerged varieties such as anacaries and hornwort, each plant contributes to the overall ecosystem by providing oxygen, shade, and natural filtration. Marginal plants. These plants grow at the water's edge, adding depth and beauty to the garden. Examples include cattails, iris, and rushes, which not only enhance the visual appeal, but also serve as habitats for various wildlife. Bog plants. Bog plants thrive in damp soil or shallow water, offering an attractive addition to the garden. Species like pitcher plants, ferns, and astilbes bring a unique dimension and color to the landscape. Designing principles for aquatic gardens. Balance and harmony. The key to a successful aquatic garden lies in achieving a harmonious balance between water features and plant life. A well-designed garden incorporates various heights, colors, and textures to create an engaging and visually appealing space. Maintenance and sustainability, proper planning and maintenance are essential for the long-term success of an aquatic garden. Regular pruning, when and during a balanced soil or sustainability. Ecosystem and wildlife. A well-designed aquatic garden becomes a haven for wildlife, supporting a diverse range of creatures, from birds and insects to frogs and fish. The garden's balanced ecosystem enhances biodiversity and contributes positively to the surrounding environment. Conclusion. Exploring the world of aquatic gardens offers a window into a realm of natural beauty and serenity. By skillfully incorporating water features and a diverse selection of aquatic plants, enthusiasts can create a captivating and peaceful environment that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the landscape, but also fosters a thriving ecosystem. Whether small-scale or expansive, designing an aquatic garden can be a fulfilling endeavor, bringing the joys of nature and tranquility to any outdoor space.